opponent in the red corner, James Mahinay! Round one.
Good evening, Dynasty Fight Club and URCC. Here we go again for another slap battle night. Tonight we have two fighters that will slap their faces. This is their first time fighting in the slap battle. They're not used to this, but we can see that they are prepared. But before we begin, let us give them a time to trash talk their opponent.
Nangyari sa akin, tol. Kakainin kita ng buo.
Right, he said he's gonna eat you alive. How about you?
I'm not sure who's gonna win this fight, but I'll deny the school. Pretty set up.
All right, let us begin. First match, rock, paper, scissors. Are you ready? Are you ready? Sampalan na!
Op, wait lang. Yung kamay mo, alisin mo. Yan.
There's a foul. You have to slap the face, not the neck.
You good?
Palang pogi.